All right, well, many are looking forward to the new year with hope, and that includes those in the highest levels of government in the Mountain State.
Our 13 News reporter Natalie Wattis spoke with the incoming Chief Justice of the West Virginia Supreme Court of Appeals to find out what his outlook is. Natalie?
Yeah, Marilee, Rob, Justice Evan Jenkins is coming into his new role as Chief Justice with many ideas on how to better the transparency and trust of the judicial system with the public. And his focus is on how to achieve that in the future using technology and resources they've accrued this past year.
New year, new court. On January 1st, the West Virginia Supreme Court will have a new Chief Justice, Justice Evan Jenkins.
Each year, the justices select one of the 5 members of the court to serve as the Chief Justice for the coming year. And the justices gave me the honor to serve in 2021.
Jenkins has served on the West Virginia Supreme Court of Appeals since 2018 after 2 terms in the U.S. House of Representatives. He has high hopes for his year in this new role, chief among them adapting new technology to better serve the judicial system.
We have made a significant investment during 2020 in COVID, and that investment we have found actually can work to a more efficient judicial system.
Despite being a Huntington native, he says his local background is separate from his duties as Chief Justice.
There's a very different role in my capacity on the Supreme Court than in the traditional days when I served in the legislative branch, but it's still service. And what's important to me today is about making sure we uphold the Constitution.
After performing swearing-in ceremonies for several local positions, local officials say they consider it an honor to have 2021's Chief Justice be from Cabell County.
He has done so many wonderful things, and to wind up as the Chief Justice of the West Virginia Supreme Court is really an honor.
It's just going to be great to have someone that we know, that we can reach out to in these times.
We're going to keep on this track of making sure that we restore the public's trust in their highest court.
The West Virginia Supreme Court of Appeals reconvenes on January 12th to hear cases, where Jenkins will take the bench as Chief Justice for the first time. The cases are live streamed, and for more information on where to find those resources, visit our website at WOWKTV.com. In the studio in Huntington, Natalie Wattis, 13 News, working for you.
All right, Natalie, thanks so much.